drones, swarming everywhere, even towards the far northern reaches. As AgEagle Aerial Systems has announced orders for multiple EBTAC public safety units to the government of Sweden. The order was executed through its strategic partnership with Brigantes, the AgEagle defense distributor for the Nordic region. The EBTAC public safety is designed for tactical mapping and situational awareness, equipping users with cutting-edge drone technology to enhance public safety and defense operations. According to Bill Irby, CEO of AgEagle, delivering the EBTAC public safety solutions to global customers with Brigantes support is a strategically vital sale that expands AgEagle's Nordic defense market presence. The drone's rapid deployment, precise mapping, and cybersecure operations empower Sweden to counter regional threats, strengthen NATO deterrence, and enhance public safety across diverse terrains. The EBTAC public safety drone offers specific capabilities that align with defense and public safety requirements around the globe. It can be deployed in minutes by a single operator and carried in a backpack, making it ideal for swift responses to time-sensitive missions. The drone features high-accuracy mapping with RTK/PPK technology, achieving precise 2D, 3D, and thermal maps for various applications. The EBTAC public safety drone also prioritizes cybersecurity and compliance, featuring AES 256 encryption, an encrypted SD card, and a low-visible/acoustic signature. Additionally, it offers versatile payloads with swappable RGB, 3D, and thermal cameras, enabling data collection for day or night missions. The drone is compliant with European C2 standards, simplifying adherence to ESA regulations and allowing safe operations in populated or restricted areas. Brigantes, a trusted regional distributor specializing in defense and security solutions, played a pivotal role in facilitating this agreement. AgEagle will coordinate and conduct training sessions for the end user to ensure optimal deployment and operation of the systems. Down in the Southern Hemisphere, AgEagle also made a sale of 2 EB Vision drones to the government of Paraguay, marking a significant expansion of AgEagle's presence in Latin America and reinforcing its growing role in global government U.S. deployments. According to AgEagle CEO Bill Irby, this transaction reinforces the trust that global government agencies are placing in AgEagle's technology and reflects the company's broader strategy to expand into high-demand international markets. The EB Vision is a versatile platform engineered to deliver actionable insights in complex and demanding environments. It is renowned for its lightweight design, high-resolution imaging, and advanced navigation capabilities. The EB Vision features enable detailed data collection and consistent performance across diverse conditions, making it ideally suited for government applications that demand precision and dependability. This deal reinforces AgEagle's growing presence in the Latin American market, where interest in unmanned aerial systems continues to rise. AgEagle's CEO emphasized the company's commitment to empowering military, law enforcement, and civilian authorities with tools that enhance operational efficiency and inform decision-making. The sale of the EB Vision drones to the government of Paraguay demonstrates AgEagle's continued growth and expansion in the government sector, leveraging its expertise in drone technology to provide critical solutions to governments and organizations worldwide. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.